MathDali Express. Multiplying factors both ending in 1. 41 times 21. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Now, let's add. Bring down 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. Bring down 8. 41 times 21 is 861. Kung kailangan mong mag-multiply ng 2-digit numbers na parehong nagtatapos sa number 1, this can be another solution. 41 times 21. Step 1. Multiply the tens digits. 4 times 2 is 8. Step 2. Add the tens digits. 4 plus 2 is 6. Step 3. Put 1 at the end of your answer. 41 times 21 is 861. Next equation. 51 times 41. Step 1. Multiply the tens digits. 5 times 4 is 20. Step 2. Add the tens digit. 5 plus 4 is 9. Step 3. Put 1 at the end. 51 times 41 is 2091. Another example. 21 times 61. Step 1. Multiply the tens digits. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Step 2. Add the tens digit. 2 plus 6 is 8. Step 3. Put 1 at the end. 21 times 61 is 1,281. O, diba? Solving is easy as 1, 2, and 3. This is MathDali Express.